given secant theta 30 upon 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Solution. Given the question here, given that secant theta is equal to 13 upon 12. What is the form of secant theta? Hypotenuse is equal upon adjacent side of angle theta. We draw a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Theta is the acute angle. Okay, AB is adjacent side of angle theta, BC is opposite side of angle theta, AC is the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is 13, adjacent side of angle theta is 12. Here not there, opposite side of angle theta. We find the opposite side of angle theta using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Using the Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here side is AB square plus other side is BC square equal to hypotenuse is AC square. Okay, AB value is 12 square plus BC value is not there. We find the BC is equal to AC value is 13 square. Okay, 12 square value is 144 plus BC square is equal to 169. 13 square value is 169 plus 144 become this side is minus 144. Finally BC square is equal to 169 minus 144. BC square is equal to 25. BC is equal to square root of 25. Square root of 25 value is 5. Here BC value is 5. Next, we find the all other trigonometric ratios. First one, sin theta. What is the form of sin theta? Opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle theta value is 5 units upon hypotenuse is 13 units. Cos theta. Formula of cos theta: adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse is equal to adjacent side of angle theta AB value is 12 upon hypotenuse is 13. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta is 5 units. Adjacent side of angle theta is 12 units. We find other trigonometric ratios. Cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta are reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cosecant theta, first one, reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal is nothing but numerator denominator interchange of sin theta. Here sin theta is 5 upon 12. Interchange the numerator and denominator value, 13 upon 5. Next one, secant theta. Here given value is also secant theta, 13 upon 12. Otherwise the reciprocal of cos theta. Okay, numerator denominator are interchanging of cos theta. Here 12 upon 13. Interchange the numerator and denominator, 13 upon 12. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, tan theta value is 5 upon 12. Cot theta value is interchange the numerator and denominator, 12 upon 5. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Solution. Here two angles are acute angles, then the condition is cos A is equal to cos B. Let us taking two right angle triangle ACD and BEF. Okay, draw two right angle triangles. ACD is right angle triangle at C. BEF is right angle triangle at E. A and B are acute angles. A and B are acute angles, where cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. We find cos A and cos B. First one, cos A. Cos A. What is the form of cos A? Adjacent side of angle A upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle A, according to the angle A, adjacent side of angle A is AC. Here hypotenuse is AD. Cos B. Cos B is equal to, formula is adjacent side of angle B upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle B. Adjacent side of angle B is BE upon hypotenuse is BF. Okay, these two trigonometric ratios are equal condition. Cos A. Cos A is AC upon AD is equal to, cos B value is BE upon BF. Therefore, these two interchange the values, AD and BE are interchanging. Therefore, AC upon BE is equal to AD upon BF. We say that K. We say that is equal to K. This one is the equation 1. Therefore, using the Pythagoras theorem, Why are you using Pythagoras theorem? Here AC is upon corresponding side BE is equal to AD. AD is upon corresponding side BF. Another side CD upon corresponding side EF. What is the value of CD and BF? We find the value of CD and BF using the formula, using the form Pythagoras theorem. First one, ACD is right angle triangle. Using the Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here side is AC square plus another side is CD square is equal to hypotenuse square AD square. Okay, we find CD. This term become this side is negative value. CD square is equal to AD square upon AD square. This terms become this side is negative minus AC square. Okay, first one AC is equal to BE is equal to K. AC is equal to, this term become this side is multiplication of K into BE, and this term is equal to K. Here BF is divisible, become this side is multiplication. Finally AD is equal to K into BF. Okay, CD is equal to, square become this side square root of AD square minus AC square. Okay, CD is square root of hypotenuse square minus AC square. Similarly EF is also square root of hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is BF square minus other side BE square. These two value substituting here, CD is square root of AD square minus AC square upon EF value is square root of BF square minus BE square is equal to square root of AD. AD value is K into BF. Square of AD is equal to K square into BF square. Substituting the AC value, AC is K into BE. AC square is K square into BE square upon square root of BF square minus BE square. Here common terms is K square, here also K square. K square is get common, square root of K square, remaining terms. Okay, K square is get common, remaining is BF square minus BE square upon square root of BF square minus BE square. Numerator and denominator are same, these two terms get cancelled. Finally square root of K square, square root get cancelled. Okay, finally we write CD upon EF is equal to K. This one equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 is AC upon BF is equal to AD upon BF is equal to K. Here K is CD upon EF. Here two triangle, their corresponding sides AC upon BE is equal to AD upon BF is equal to CD upon EF. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Two triangles, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, these two triangles are similar triangle using the theorem 6.4. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle BEF. Therefore, two triangles are similar triangles. Their corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles also equal. Therefore, their corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal. Here angle A, their corresponding angle A corresponding angle is angle B. Okay, angle D corresponding angle F. Angle C corresponding angle E. Here corresponding angle A is equal to their corresponding angle B. Okay, we prove that angle A equal to angle B. Hence proved. Question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, evaluate first one 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Second one is cot square theta. First one, solution. Okay, given the condition is cot theta equal to 7 upon 8. Okay, cot formula, adjacent side of angle theta upon opposite side of angle theta. We draw a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B, theta is the acute angle. BC is opposite side of angle theta. B is adjacent side of angle theta. AC is hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta AB is 7. You note 7. Opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta BC is 8. We find the hypotenuse. Okay, using the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here side is AB square. Using Pythagoras theorem, AB square side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here side is AB. AB value is 7 square. BC value is 8 square equal to AC square. 7 square value 49. 8 square value 64 equal to AC square. Okay, adding these two value 113 equal to AC square. Here AC is equal to square root of 113. Okay, 113 not a perfect square. Okay, AC value is square root of 113. Okay, first one we find sin theta, cos theta and cot theta. First one sin theta. sin theta equal to adjacent side of, okay, sorry, sin theta is opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta is BC upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC equal to BC value. BC value is 8 upon 113. Next one, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta is AB upon hypotenuse is AC is equal to AB value is 7, hypotenuse AC value is square root of 113. Okay, cot value is given the value 7 upon 8. Cot theta equal to 7 upon 8. First one, find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta is equal to, here 1 plus sin theta 1 minus cos theta according to the form a plus b and a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. What is the form of a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 1, b is sin theta. 1 square value is 1 minus sin square theta upon, here also using the form a plus b into a minus b. A square is 1 square value 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, equal to 1 minus sin theta. Sin theta value is 8 upon square root of 113 whole square upon 1 minus cos 7 upon square root of 113 whole square is equal to 1 minus, okay, here square applying numerator and denominator. Numerator 8 square is 64 upon square root of 113 square. Square root get cancelled, value is 113. 1 minus denominator, here denominator 1 minus, here square applying numerator and denominator. 7 square is 49 upon square root of 113 whole square is square root get cancelled, 113 is equal to, here numerator LCM is 113. 113 into 1, 113 minus 64 upon denominator, here denominator LCM also 113. 113 into 1 is 113 minus 49. This denominator, these two ratios, compound ratios, this numerator denominator here 113, this denominator 113, both are cancelled. Okay, 113 minus 64 value is 113 minus 64 value is 49 upon 130 minus 49 value is 64. Okay, this value is equal to 49 upon 64. Second one, okay, second one, cot square theta. Cot value is 7 upon 8. Whole square, cot square. Here square applying numerator and denominator. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. Okay, this two resulting value is equal. Therefore, these two terms is also equal.